Hi, welcome to our store. Looking for something special today?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Medium size, please.
Oh, a t-shirt? Sure, I can help. What style do you like?
Simple style works for me. Nothing flashy.
Blue?
Blue sounds perfect. I'll try that one.
Nice choice. I have a comfortable one you might like.
Thanks. I trust your choice.
Don't worry, you won't look like a blueberry.
Okay, I'll go try it on.
The fitting room is right there if you want to try it on.
How does it look? Do you think it fits well?
Wow, it actually looks great on you. Casual, simple, but stylish.
Perfect. I'll take it. How much is it?
How much do you want me to wrap it? The price is $18.
$18? Got it. Here's the money.
Do you want a bag for it?
Yes, please give it in a bag. Coffee sounds good. I could use a break.
Oh, coffee? Same. I live on coffee.
After your shift works for me. Let's go to the cafe nearby.
Sure, I'm free after my shift. We can go to the cafe nearby.
Wow, this cafe is really cozy. I like it.
This cafe is cozy. I come here often after work.
You're welcome. I wanted to get something nice for you too.
Thanks for the coffee. That's very thoughtful of you. So, how was your day before this coffee break?
My day? Busy. Lots of errands before I came here.
Really? That sounds busy.
Yeah. Cleaning, some work, and organizing my stuff.
My day was just normal. Cleaning, reading, a bit of organizing. But coffee with you definitely makes it better.
I agree. Coffee with a friend makes everything better.
You're actually easy to talk to.
You're easy to talk to as well.
Do you usually talk this much with strangers?
Not usually, but I enjoy it.
Honestly, I'm enjoying this.
Same here. I'm enjoying this a lot.
So tell me more. What's your daily life like?
My daily life, work, exercise, reading, simple stuff.
Oh, what keeps you so busy these days?
Yes, busy, but I like keeping myself occupied.
That's true. Sometimes being busy feels good.
I see. Relaxing and talking with a friend is perfect for me too.
Same here. Talking like this feels relaxing. You come here often after work?
Yeah, I come here sometimes after work too.
Weekends are my favorite too. Less noise, less people.
Weekends are perfect for quiet places, I agree.
Really? Quiet places make me think too much sometimes.
Quiet places are the best for thinking or reading.
Watching people is fun, but is it weird that I imagine their stories?
I enjoy watching people too sometimes. It's relaxing.
Oh, thanks. I thought it was a strange habit.
You're not weird at all. Everyone has little habits.
Today felt really peaceful. I liked it.
Today was really nice. Simple, calm, and fun.
I'm glad we talked today.
I'm glad we met here.
Yes, we should definitely do this again.
Absolutely. Let's do this again sometime.
Bye, Ryan. Take care.
Bye. Take care.